This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this like new Ultra Limited is Silver Fortune metallic and Sumatra brown metallic. Great looking color out in the sun. This 2018 Limited is equipped with the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. It has the liquid cooling into the heads. It is a low mileage 2018 with 4,192 original miles on the odometer. This bike isn't even broken in yet. Being the limited model, comes with cruise control, ABS brakes, the smart security system, heated grips, cruise control. It has the 6.5 inch boom stereo that has the AM, FM, XM, navigation, Bluetooth. Has a hidden compartment where you can plug in your iPod or your phone to listen to your music, and you can control all that on the touch screen or through the hand controls. Being a Rushmore edition bike, it has the improved frame, improvements to the saddlebags and the tour pack. Upgraded suspension, 6-speed transmission. This is just one heck of a great touring bike. If you're making your plans for your road trips this year already, you need to take a good look at this 2018 Limited. It is still under factory warranty until January 20th of 2020. Has the redesigned front fairing that has the vent in the middle of it to reduce buffeting, LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED front fender tip light. The seat's in like new condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts. Really great color. The Sumatra brown metallic is really subtle. At first glance it looks like it's black, but in the right light it is a metallic brown. Great combination. Has the premium tour pack rack on the back. LED lights all the way across the back, so you have great visibility out on the highway. This bike does have the stock exhaust, stock intake, so it's either ready for you to do some performance upgrades or just to leave it the way it is and just put some miles on it. market for a new touring bike this year, take a really good look at this 2018. Great condition, great color, low miles. Save yourself about $8 grand off of MSRP and freight charges and shipping charges and dock fees and setup charges, and take that savings and either put it into some accessories or use it on your next road trip. This bike is priced to sell. For information on how to put this beautiful 2018 Silver Fortune and Sumatra Brown Metallic Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696 or on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.